We are going to look at a pair of troublesome vowel sounds, a, and eh. So a is going to be one of our tense vowels. It's going to be long. It's going to require more muscles in your face. A. Use your cheeks, use your tongue muscles. And then we have eh. This is a lax vowel. It's more relaxed. Your face is not tense. The sound is a little bit shorter. So let's compare these two sounds. So the A sound, this sounds like pain. The sound, it sounds like pen, pen. So let's divide some of these words that are very similar into these two sounds. So, for example, our first pair is edge and age. Edge and age. So, like pen, right? Edge. And a, like pain, age. Age, edge. Okay, next one. The first one we have paper. The second, pepper. A, paper, pepper. Paper, pepper. Now we have later and letter. See you later. I got a letter. Lay, later. Letter. Later, letter. Now these two cause a lot of problems. We have say, and said. So say is our present tense, and said is our past tense. Say, say, and said. This one's strange because this vowel combination, it looks like said. No, it's said. English pronunciation is a little crazy. I'm sorry. All right, our next combination is going to be test and taste. So test, test. And then taste, taste. All right, let's look at some other ones, make some room here. For fail and fell. Fail, like I failed a test. I failed the driver's test, right? And fell. Yesterday I fell down and got hurt. Fell. So this one, fail. And here, fell. All right, our next pair. Waste and west. Waste and west. Way, waste. West. Waste, west. Then we have men, the plural, right? One man, two men. And the next word, main, like the important one, the main idea, right? Men, main, men, main, men, men. And here we have mate. like a husband or a wife, right? Mate. And then met. Met. Yesterday I met the teacher. Met. So we have mate, mate, and met. Mate and met. And our last pair for today, wet and wait. So I got wet in the rain, right? And I have to wait for the bus. Wet, wet. And wait. So we have wait, wet. So how do we make these sounds with our face, with our lips, with our tongue? The A sound, remember it's a tense vowel. Your lips are spread, they're tense. Your tongue is also tense and in the middle of the mouth. So your face will look like this. A. The front part of your tongue moves up and forward. The A sound is like the letter A. 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 The sound, This is a lax vowel. Your mouth looks more relaxed. It's open. It's slightly spread. Your tongue is relaxed and a little bit lower, and it doesn't really move while you're saying the vowel. So notice the difference as I move between these two vowel sounds. A. So now let's compare these sounds and speak along with me. And really watch the movement of my mouth and try to do the same thing with your face. Age, edge, paper, pepper, later, letter, wait, wet, taste, test, say, said, fail, fell, main, men. That was an introduction to the A and troublesome vowel pair. Now it's just up to you to do practice, practice, practice.